Hey y'all, it's kayladeniece. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I just have a wig install video. It's this wig that was sent over to me from SUNBER Hair. They're sponsoring this video today. This is just the reddish brown Jerry curly wig that is on their website. Links will be in the description box as far as everything that I used in the installing part of the video. That will be in the description box as well. It will be in my Amazon storefront. 13x4 Jerry curly wig from SUNBER Hair in a 24-inch. It is very true to length. I'm not sure what the density is, but I'll be sure to put that in the description box. But it seems pretty thick to me. I wouldn't be surprised if it was like 180. That's what I feel like it is. And yeah, I had this hair in for about 2 days now, just so I can give y'all kind of like a honest review on the hair. And so far so good. It's had very minimal shedding, like really minimal shedding, like it's very minimal. Yeah, really love this wig. Like, this has got to be my favorite wig. I got so many compliments in this wig, y'all. Yeah, I really love this wig, y'all. And I'm just gonna show y'all what all came with the wig. The wig came in this box right here. Of course, the wig was in here. Then it came with this little baggie, and it came this little wig bag, so that when you take it off, you can put it inside of here. It also came with a bag that has some goodies in it. So first thing I'm going to pull out is these wig caps. They actually gave me 2 packs of these, but I can't find the other pack. I know I used the one on my head, but I can't find the other one. So yeah, they gave me 2 packs of these. And if you know, you know, these are the good wig caps, y'all. When you see like the installing part, these really give bald cap. Like, get you some of these and stop buying the ones at the hair store. These are the good ones. They melt so easily, y'all. Yes, love that. Thank you, SUNBER. They gave me 2 edge bands. This one just says SUNBER on it, and it's yellow. And then this one is just a cheetah print one that I used already for this wig. They also gave some lashes, and these are 3D lashes. And then they also gave a makeup brush. Hold on, y'all. First, I did not know what this was, but yes, it's a makeup brush. And it feels like good quality too, yeah. You just, I guess you can like throw it in your purse or whatever, but yeah, real cute, real cute. Thank you, SUNBER, for sending this hair. Make sure y'all go shop. Like, this hair is really worth it. I will not steer y'all wrong in no way, shape, or form. But this wig right here, this wig is it. And somebody told me it was giving scissor. Like, don't tell me that, because I take that and run with it, for real. Alright, y'all, and as far as customization on this wig, only thing I did was bleach the knots for about 10 minutes. And I did pluck a little bit. I did pluck. But yeah, it was very minimal. And I'll be sure to insert a clip on how the wig looked like straight out of the package, so that way y'all can see or whatever. But it did look like work withable, like straight out of the pack. So you really don't have to do all of that stuff, to be honest. Yeah, it was given beginner friendly, so I'm gonna be sure to show y'all that. But yeah, as far as the curl pattern, I'm really loving it. Like, look at that. It's giving like the little kinky curls. It's more of a natural, like, you know, very cute. Very cute. And it's also cute when it's wet as well. I just really love poofy hair. Like, I love big hair. Like, really big hair. Like, but yeah. I really rate this wig a 10 out of 10. The lace was easy to melt, easy install. easy to style, and yeah, it's also transparent lace. Just to throw that out there. But yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna let y'all just get straight into the installing part. Like I said, everything I use to install the wig will be in my Amazon storefront. Also, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to your girl, and let me know what video y'all would like to see next. I'm probably gonna end up doing like a Shein haul pretty soon. I know like back to school season is coming, so I'm coming through with the back to school haul. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for your girl, and let me know what y'all want to see.
Baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I'd be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserve good thing. This for the diamond, head for rain. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love.
y'all for watching. Like I said, if y'all want to see a more in-depth tutorial, then please let me know, because I have hella wig companies reaching out to me right now, and I don't mind doing a tutorial on here, or an in-depth one to teach y'all how to install the wig rather than just like a watch me do it. So yeah, y'all just let me know. Also, we are at 1.9K right now, definitely on the road to 2K, and your girl got monetized. Like, y'all really doing it up for me, and I promise I've only been doing YouTube for like 2 months, so this is really just crazy and unreal, but I really appreciate y'all. The other day this girl told me, she was like, you my favorite YouTuber, and that just meant the world to me, because like I was just thinking like, dang, I can't wait till I become somebody's favorite YouTuber, and then a couple days later that happened. Like, it's really crazy, and y'all really be doing it for me. Like, I got something special coming for y'all soon. So, yeah. I know back to school season is coming up, so I'm definitely going to have some hauls coming up for y'all. So be sure to go get this wig, link in bio. Also got a code for y'all to use. And thank y'all for tuning in. Bye.